Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I will show you how to set up VS Code and how to download and how to Prettier is a popular opinionated code formatter. So ensure a consistent code style across your project. Integrating it with the VS Code helps streamline and code formatting, saving time and improving your readability. Here's how to install the VS Code. First of all, you have to go to Google, then simply type VS Code. Okay, then click this enter, hit this enter, then first link you just open it, new button or new tab or new same link. So this is the code faster with AI. Visual Code Studio, GitHub Copilot supercharges your code with AI powered and suggestion, then write in your editor. So download, if you have a version the Windows, then you can just download for Windows and try GitHub Copilot, then you can use it easily like me. So I have already installed VS Code in my desktop. So this is my project. Okay, so today I'll show you how to formatting VS Code and save your time, and it's very easier. So if you haven't already installed Visual Code Studios, then already I already told you about that. Just go to Google and official website, then download Visual Code Studio, then open the Visual Code Studio like me. Then you can find anything from settings or search bar. From here you can use control shift plus p, or you can use control, if you are user a Windows, then Windows user, so the control plus plus and make user command plus, then it will be automatically you open the from Chrome extension. From here you can install just pretty, then free, then you can find it pretty code formatter. You just install this and it's very easiest for you and for your code savings. So I'm just going to how to set up this prettier code formatter, and it's very easiest way, and I will give you in my description below few code, and it's really awesome. So guys, just copy this from here, then you can go to settings. From this here, manager new code update available, then find out from JSON. It's very easy to use editing extension from here. So this is the code buds actually. So you can use editor.formatOnSave from here. It's a by default true. Okay, so then you can prettier single quote, it's a true, will be true. So I just write a few code. It's a very easiest way for you. So guys, finally we just control shift s, control, okay, just control a, select all, and control b, paste. Okay, I'm just saving my time and short this video. It's a very easiest way and very easy code for you, like editor then default formatter. I will give you this code, and if you take a screenshot my screen, then it will be very helpful for you. You don't find out in the description below, etc. So no need to verify this way. Okay, so let's go to this code and save it, install, then I just click this here. Okay, and save it, then click this enter button. It will be automatically formatted. Wow, this is very amazing and very easiest way you can format it your code. And I just showing to you, just go to settings. First of all, you have to install Visual Code Studio, then settings. This is the settings, and find out from here JSON, only type JSON, then you can find out edit.json, then you just paste this code. It will be really helpful for you. And I already command to use single quotes instead of the double quotes, and remove semicolon at the end of the statements. Prettier semi dot false, and prettier trailing comma, like trailing commas where possible, if yes, yes, 5 plus, and then set a number of pages per indentation. label, then print space between bracket object literals, then avoid parenthesis for single argument errors function. I already every single of function and every single command using this prettier specific settings. Okay guys, so this is the video. Today I just I'm working with my project. This is my project. Okay, I will give you this project for free, not free of cost. It will be in my buy me a cup of coffee only few dollar payment, then you can get a agency template easily. So this is my code, and I will give a giveaway like one or two or three, maybe $4 or $5. It's depends on me, and it's quality dependent. Okay, I already um, type lots of video and lots of project in my YouTube channel. So check out my YouTube channel, then you will find my channel. So this is the template, agency template. It's a very huge and very demandable template. So it's a maybe in the you can check this template and check out this theme forest template. Then you will get an idea what's the difference between a theme forest template and my template. My template actually very easy, the easiest like cheap cost, and theme forest, on the theme forest you will find easily a highest cost. So it's a depend up to you which template you are already using, and what's the depend on your business type and digital agency type. So guys, I will recommend it to you if you want to take an edition, take start any business, then you will find me. My If you find my template, then you can easily use. So it's a buy me a coffee only, so nothing else, like $66 on the theme forest, and I will give you only $10 or $15. I'll give you the like link in my description below. You can buy it on the theme forest or buy me a cup of coffee. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you soon in the next video.